Hey, welcome everybody to another Lean Built video. Today I've got Nico here. Say hi, Nico.
Hi everyone, hello.
Nico and the team has been working on a dust control permit for this site. And part of that is to map out what needs to happen on site in order to create our dust control plan. So, Nico here, I got a few questions for you. Walk us through, and let's start up here at the very top. Step one, I see we have brainstorming here. Walk us through the steps that you guys took to make this dust control map that we're going to use for our dust control plan.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Kevin. So the first thing is like we plan as a team, we work as a team, and for then we brainstorm as a team. So the first step that we did is like we start like bring any ideas. So we did the brainstorming to take in consideration the Maricopa County Rule Comprehensive 310. So because we want to follow all of these rules according to the specifications of the county, right? So from there we start like working on brainstorming any ideas, any elements that we should include, and we start like with that brainstorming.
I love it. Okay, so we just came together. We've got water lines, track out, paving, gravel. We've got a bunch of different things that we know we're going to need. So we've started to do a little bit of research here as far as what those are as well, right?
That's correct.
That's awesome. Okay, then we took a site map I see here and we started to create a little bit of this dust control plan. Can you walk me through that?
Absolutely. So we start working on we collaborate together in Miro board. So we took in consideration all of the items that we brainstormed and put it on map out in the actual site plan. And we can visualize all the elements that we should include or the missing items or any other ideas like in Miro board.
Awesome. So I see here this initial plan. We've got some water lines running around the site. Uh, we've got our track out. We've got several paved areas for laydown, which will obviously really help to mitigate any dust. I love this. This is great. So let's talk through. So we did a first run map of what we thought it was going to take. Walk me through this first draft here. What's the difference between the first map that you guys made and this kind of more clean looking first draft?
Yeah, so the first one was on Miro board where everyone can collaborate together, and the other one was on Bluebeam. So we put all the details like in the actual we set up at the scale. We calculate like the paving areas, the parking lot areas, the laydown areas, the unpaved areas, the track control device. So in Bluebeam, let us like to calculate the area, the square feet, the volumes, the reference, and then we put it like in that beautiful legend, the configuration for the different items that we should include in our plan.
Amazing. So this is like the more formalized one. I see down here the step four, we have a fresh eyes meeting. Tell me a little more about the fresh eyes meetings. We have fresh eyes meetings quite regularly for different things, right? Tell me about the fresh eyes meeting for this dust control map.
Oh yeah, so we love fresh eye meetings. So it's like one of the our biggest filter, So we need to do these fresh eye meetings like too often, and one of the processes like for these dust control maps. So we gather as a team, and then we start like working and see the things that couldn't be wrong or we avoid in the plan. So we start mark it up like in the actual map. We put it red marks, we put it sticky notes, we discuss like for a better result.
Okay, so the team basically just tears this apart. It doesn't look like there's too many red lines because it looks like it's fairly basic, but this is awesome to see, a couple markups, a couple of changes that the team noticed that they needed to make. And then step number five is the final version here. So after the team has made those changes, we go through and we update it and we finalize with the final plan, right? The final map for the plan, I should say, for dust control. Is that right?
That's correct.
Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this helps you guys to see kind of what we're doing over here and gives you guys an idea of how you can use different tools to put together maps, even for something like a dust control permit. So Thank you, Nico, for all your insights, and we will see you guys on the next one.